Meet the axolotl, also known as the walking fish. Despite looking like a cute salamander, it has some unbelievable abilities. Axolotls can regenerate lost limbs, parts of their heart, and even their brain. Unlike most amphibians, they remain in their juvenile form for their entire lives. This means they stay young and aquatic forever, never fully growing into a land-dwelling adult. They live only in a few lakes in Mexico and are critically endangered. A real-life creature that defies aging and heals like magic. Nature sometimes seems more like science fiction.